Well, for those people who are not familiar with tornadoes in Kansas and Dorothy and all that good stuff, the sound you hear in the background is the warning sirens. Anyway, there's the warning sirens indicating there's been rotation on touchdown on the ground somewhere within the vicinity, and or possibilities of tornado touchdowns. Well, this is what my last day in Missouri is like. There we go. Anyway, as I was going to say, there's the U-Haul with all my precious belongings in it, minus my little corner of the world for now. But hopefully the weather will be better tomorrow morning whenever I head out. Hope y'all enjoy it.